Hi everyone, as we saw in the other video, we will do a challenge about switches. The challenge is about creating a new instruction of switch by using char instead of int. Creating a variable char, a declaration switch, which will test A, B, C, D, and E. Display a message if one of these elements was found, then break. And finally, a default that displays not found. Are you ready? Then let's go. Now we will do a correction. We go here and we type, for example, char value is equal to A. As a reminder, char is a Unicode character surrounded by simple codes. Then we type switch. Between parentheses, the variable char value. Then case A. So A was found. Break. We do the same for case B. So B was not found. Now case C, case D, and case E. Between parentheses, we type char value plus was found. We do a break. Now we do a default if none of these alphabets were found. And then break. And now we can test. And as we can see here, A was indeed found. If I exchange with B, B was found. And if I try E, E was also found. And for instance, if I put F wasn't found because it's not in the case. And if I try the small a, it will not work either, since we declared capitalized A in the case. It was all for this small challenge. As you could see, it was quite easy to do. See you next time.